Welcome back to our evolution unit. So far, we've learned about geologic time, the law of superposition, comparative anatomy, phylogenetic trees, and Charles Darwin. Remember, phylogenetic trees show which species are related because they have shared traits and common ancestors. Mutations, or random changes to DNA, they can be substitution, addition, or deletion. Mutations can cause an adaptation in a species. One example of this is how the rock paper mice developed brown fur, or how giraffes developed longer necks. Today we'll talk more about natural selection, which again is an idea that comes from Charles Darwin. Basically, the idea is that some adaptations help a species survive or live longer, and as a result, their babies live, and more members of the species have that trait until everyone has that trait. For instance, all giraffes have long necks now. How to complete today's assignment. If you're on a phone, make sure you're in print layout. If you're on the computer, fit your screen. Start by using your vocabulary journal to write the vocabulary words next to the definitions. If you can't find your journal, you'll have to go back to your previous lessons. Next, if you could travel anywhere in the world to look at living things, where would you go and why? Then you'll explore natural selection more as you complete an Ed puzzle and read through some slides. Then you'll take what you've learned about the 5 parts of natural selection and fill in the blanks. To finish, you'll add to your vocabulary journal, reflect on the learning targets, and share in Google Classroom. There's also an optional extension where you can learn more about Charles Darwin.